What is up, guys? Mitch, and we're doing some Chinese game. I don't even know if that's Chinese or Japanese, but whatever. We're playing Cat Mario, and I hear this is pretty rage-inducing. As you can see, all my other levels are unlocked, and that is because my friend, when he comes over, he plays this game, and so, yeah, I guess we're gonna play first level. Okay, so right key is to go forward, up is to jump. Over you, I guess. I don't think you'll kill me. Okay. You see how high that cat jumps? This cat's on steroids. Oh god. You little ball sack. Okay. I see how it is. Okay. Oh my god, I forgot about that. Yeah. Yeah, that's just nice. Oh god. I see what they were doing there though. No! You son of... I think I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay. Nope. Are you serious? It was the first guy. Are you serious? Do I suck that bad? I don't think. Okay, get over that. You just have to be there, don't you? You just have to. You know, this is a big freaking map. I mean, I've only seen it for like 5 seconds, but it looks pretty big. You know, you don't have to be there. Okay? There's a seal coming out of this one too? I didn't think so. Ha! Okay. What you got? Oh. Mother. You know, I'd like to get past the second screen, if you don't mind. By the 6-minute mark, at least. I mean, that might be when we end the video, but, like, at least. Wow. 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 You know. Okay, let's go. What's this? I wonder if I press the down button on this. What will happen? What the? What is happening? Wait! Did I seriously die? Why can't it be like regular Mario where you get like a gold mine? But no, it's freaking Cat Mario. So no, we just can't do that. We're just gonna rocket you up into the sky because we're so freaking nice. Okay. Oh, what? Balls! Yeah. Oh no. Okay, don't hit that. Get over here. Get over here. Okay. No! God dang it! Oh my god. Don't touch me. Oh, dodged you. What you gonna do? What you gonna do, you fat cloud? Don't touch that. Okay? Okay. I hope this doesn't fall. Okay. There we go. Checkpoint, I guess. I actually thought for a moment that would kill me. Because, you know, everything kills you in this game. See that? Ugh! And as soon as I was about to say, see those skills. But no. No! Mother fricker. Mother fricker. Okay. You'll block here, right? Okay. Oh! I'm gonna go on top of that. Okay, jump. Okay. Okay. yeah, thanks. Thanks. You biatch. Come on. Get this. Okay. Okay. Alright, there we go. I'm getting this. Getting this. Jump. Oh! Are you serious? You're so. Really? The cloud too? Like everything has to? Yeah. What do you want? What do you want the enemies of the cat to be? How about everything? How about everything? Yeah, that sounds not. Oh, okay, I'm good. I'm down with that. Okay. Oh. Okay, go back. Yes. That was good. That was good. We're doing this. Okay. Oh! Did I beat it? What was that? Would that have killed me if I would have touched the hole? Really? Did I win? Did I win? I won! Oh! 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 Oh yeah! Woo! I won. I got it. Let's go. Alright. So I guess the next, it says like not found. There's an error with my server. But yeah, I guess the next level will be in the next video. So see you guys later. That was fun.